All right, here we are with the Winegard antenna disassembled. There's plenty of other videos on the internet to show you how to disassemble it. It's just two pins, clips. You see them there. Pull them out, pull the pins. The antenna comes off. There's a nut on the inside that threads into this. Let me spin that around. You unscrew it after you take the handle and everything off, and then this just lifts right off. Prior to doing that, actually what most people do is buy new gear to replace the old gear. And in the videos I've seen, they've said, well, when you take the old gear out, make sure you get the washers off. So they fish down in the hole and pull them out. Well, I had nothing. There was nothing on this shaft, absolutely nothing. So I looked down the hole, and as you can see, I even disassembled it. Nothing on the inside, nothing fell down in. I just didn't have they just disintegrated, I guess, after 10 years. So here's the new one. Then there was also a washer, or I'm sorry, an O-ring that fits down in here. You can see it's kind of torn up. It's really, I guess, not in terrible shape. I don't know. So anyway, I bought a new one. Gonna pop it down in there. I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do, but I got some of this silicone grease because I know this, obviously this piece rotates. So I figured a little lubrication would be good. So I guess back to my leaking problem though. I don't think my leak was coming, it wasn't coming down the rod here. So I don't think it was any of these seals, even though I had none. But obviously I'm replacing them just in case. I think it was just this cracking here causing water to get under this plate. Because I was seeing it come in the wood. I actually also had some here on the cable connector too coming in. So I put a little temporary caulk on it, but I'm going to get the lap, I'm going to clean it up, get the lap sealant on it, and you know, seal all of that stuff up too. Oh, there's one more part. Where is it? Well, there's another part here somewhere. It's a piece of, gosh, where is that? Well, anyway, that goes over top of this. It's like a piece of plastic. I guess I'm gonna have to find that. What must have blew away.